surfing naman is candidate number 15, John Paul Chu. John Aplon, Go Ox Lumbera, happy to singing, dancing, and sports. She joined the Mr. and Miss Data Match 2009 to prove to become a Philippine Sunday. John Paul has an interest dancing and surfing. He joined this pageant because he wants experience in this type of competition and to gain more experience, especially to have more friends. Once again, candidate number 15, John Aplon, Lumbera.